Well, hey guys, I was just reading this article in the Telegram about the Clarksburg Water Board having completed its review of their records as far as lead service lines. The last or the council work session, the council was actually laughing, scoffing at the idea of giving the water board any money, even though there's only a select handful of uses, legitimate uses of the Biden stimulus. They openly discussed ways of circumventing the law and spending the money on unapproved uses. Um, Nobody ever accused them of being smart. Um, and then our water board in 2019 told the EPA they had no lead service lines. Their review of record reveals 4,834 known or suspected lead service lines. A small number of those, actually, less than 5% being galvanized lines that could accumulate lead, um, that will also have to be replaced. Um, it's over half. Over half their lines were lead, and they told the EPA they didn't have any lead lines. Um, Now, some of these lead service lines probably lead to vacant houses or maybe even condemned house, like demo lots. I don't know. Um, but the cost of replacing all these lines, should they have to do, it's $22,720,000. Um, the infrastructure bill that's before the House, the compromise between the Biden administration and Senate Republicans, has money to replace about 1/3 of the lead service lines in the United States. So let's say we get that. It still leaves us a little bit over 15 million to replace all these known lines. Of course, we probably won't have to replace them all because some of them are inactive lines and can just be removed. Um, but it still leaves us with like $15 million potentially that we're going to have to spend. And incidentally, tonight, the council's supposed to consider allowing the water board to borrow, I think, $15 million. I don't know why we're adding more debt on the taxpayer rather than just using the money that Moneybag Joe Biden got us, I guess. Whatever. I mean, it's a good question. I encourage people to start asking. Start asking why we aren't using other people's money to fix the problem. Why are we borrowing money and then spending it on trying to spend this money on things it's not allowed to be spent on? We got serious problems. Um, this is a very serious problem. If you don't think this is going to affect property values, going to affect our competitiveness as far as drawing business to the area, I don't know what to tell you. Flint's property values dropped 40% in the year in the 6 months after its crisis was revealed. Um, Maybe we won't be that bad, but it's a problem. And another problem is it's just the lack of candor coming from our elected officials. We need we need them to do better, and we need our citizens to ride them and make sure they do better. Wish I had better news, but I don't. I'll holler at you later.